Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Over the years, I've made quite a few videos on text to path, and I could have sent somebody asked me a question today, and I could have sent them a video, but I thought I'd show them. They need a 12-inch, they have a 12-inch surface disc, and they want the text to be a ½ inch from the edge. Control D and make a duplicate of that circle and just make it 11 inches. That's a ½ inch on either side to make it the 11. Now, the top is always bigger. I'm actually going to make a duplicate of this second line and put it over there. And you'll see why maybe in just a second. We're going to take this and go to text to path. And when you put it on that line and then move it around till you get that red line tells you that it's in the center of the plate, of the line. So if we bring in our index, well, the E is a little bit longer. You can't really do that. Now, there are several ways to do this, but after the bottom other line curving up is always the hardest. And this is really why I kind of did this. So there's two ways to do this. I'm going to make a duplicate of that. I'm going to take my text and I'm going to mirror it vertically and horizontally first. And then I'm going to go to text to path and put it on the path. And you can see now it does it the right way. Now, with that said, and the reason this is harder, if you will take your shape tool, you can actually drag that out and put your letters further apart. Now, I could have done the same thing, and then, well, let me just finish. And then you could go ahead and go to Object and break text apart and get rid of this second line and move that over, and it's exactly in the right place. Now, I could have mirrored it afterwards. So let's just do it. Text to path, put on the path, and see it's right on there. But now I've got to mirror it, and watch what happens. It jumps it up. So it's very easily to move it down, but a lot of times you can really get messed up. So I find it's almost easier to do it, to mirror it first before you do it. Anyway, and then that way you've got a ½ inch border to play with. You know, we'll get our parallel dimension tool and measure this, and it's going to be a ½ inch off the edge. And that's using this as a line gives you a lot better reassurance that it's done. Now we need to select all this and go up to Object and break the 4 objects apart and then get rid of this line. And that's what your object's going to look like. So when you put your plate or disc or round circle in there, you can use your red dot pointer to make sure your plate's in the right position. And then that should engrave fine. Anyway, I hope that answered their question a little bit. Thank you for watching.